Hi guys, Axpe here. How is going? It is finally that time of the year again, and in this video I'm going to give you 4 tech gift ideas that you can buy for Christmas. Check this out. We are coming from a rough year made of face mask and sanitizer, and if I can take only one good thing of these past 2 years is the needs of clean and sanitize everything. And what is the product that a tech addict uses every day? Yeah, the smartphone. These are actually 2 products from different brands, but they should always be in everyone's bag. One is an antibacterial spray that has an integrated cloth to wipe your phone, and the other is a multifunction tool that has a retractable brush on one side and a silicone tip on the other to clean even the tiniest areas of your phone, tablet, smartwatch, keyboard, or whatever you like. Both these products are small and super portable, so they can be easily stored in a pocket of your backpack to be used every time your phone needs a cleanup. For those of you who are already wondering if after the liquid inside the spray finishes you have to chuck it away, I'll tell you that the bottle can be pulled out of its case and refilled whenever you need to. The second product should be a must for every person and can actually be useful for adults or child. The Xiaomi Mi Band 6, in fact, is the perfect wearable that everyone should use to keep an eye on their health, tracking the sleep, the heart rate, and in this new version, even the amount of oxygen in the blood. The one that you're seeing right now is the Mi Band 5, but there are many differences with the 6. I've been using the Mi Band for over a year now, and I can't live without it. It does a good job tracking my sleep and my workouts, so I can know how many steps I've made and how many calories I've burned. The Mi Band 6 is even better as it has a bigger screen and, as I said before, a sensor that measures the level of oxygen in your blood. Oh, and you will forget to charge it because the battery lasts around 2 weeks. The Mi Fit app that is used to synchronize it with your phone is super useful. It gives you a lot of information on your workouts or your sleep, so it's very easy to keep an eye on them. This is more a present for men, but even women can use it. The Philips One Blade is the perfect razor for any occasion. I've been using it for a year now and I can really recommend it. I do have a very delicate skin and every time I shaved, I was cutting myself. Since I replaced my razor with this, I stopped having scars on my neck. It is very small and compact, comes with 3 different combs to regulate how short you want your beard. After 1 year, the battery still holds up, it can last over a month depending on how often you shave. So if you want your boyfriend to shave his beard and look like a baby, then this is the right choice. And as I said, this can be used by women as well because, come on, even women got hair. I know, if you watch my Valentine's Day gift video, you already seen this, but it is one of my favorite tech products, period. I'm talking about the Instax SQ6, or any instant camera will do the job, by the way. Nowadays there are a lot of instant cameras, some are smaller, some other are bigger, but they basically do the same thing. So if you want to imprint that moment on paper, shoot it with an instant camera and that photo will be yours forever. Even if it may be darker or not in focus, who cares, come on, you remember that exact moment as soon as you see the picture. As I speak, unfortunately the SQ isn't available anymore, but the Instax SQ1 is. So in the description down below I will leave a link to all the products that I've mentioned. I hope you found this video useful, even if it came a little bit late than expected. I wanna take this occasion to wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy tech year.